Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a resume to Indeed. Alright, first thing first, go ahead and go to Indeed.com and log in with your account. Once logged in, you'll be landed to this page, which is the Indeed's homepage. Now what you're going to do in here is just click on your profile right here at the top right, and then click on Profile. Alright, as you can see here, I've already added my resume right here. So my only option right here is to click on this three dots and either replace or delete to upload one again. Alright, if it's your first time clicking on your profile right here, you'll be seeing this particular page. Alright, it says that create an Indeed resume, so just go ahead and follow the set of instructions right here and fill out the required fields. This is going to be your Indeed profile's resume. Or as you can see here, there's a hyperlink right here that says upload a resume. Just go ahead and click on that and it will open up a folder. In the folder, just go ahead and locate your resume, hit on upload. Alright, save the changes and you'll be good to go. Another way to upload a resume is by going to the home page. Let's say for example you wanted to apply for this particular job. Click on apply now. In this area right here in the left side, it should require you to upload a resume if you haven't done so. Alright, and that's another option. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. But if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.